Aris and Minerva stood before the shimmering portal, its emerald light casting an otherworldly glow on the dusty study. The metallic orb, the true Chronos Key, pulsed gently in Aris's hand. The Mary Celeste, Aris whispered, adjusting his spectacles. A ship found abandoned without a soul. The perfect place to test if we can interact with history without disrupting it. Minerva swallowed hard, adjusting the strap of her backpack, which was filled with emergency supplies and modern analytical tools. Remember the rule. Observe. Don't change, she reminded him, mainly to steady her own nerves. With a final, shared look of nervous excitement, they stepped into the green light. The empty deck. They stumbled onto the deck of a brigantine. The air was cold, damp, and thick with fog, even though it was daytime. The year was 1872. The ship, the Mary Celeste, was entirely silent. Sails were partially set, dinner was half-eaten in the mess hall, and the captain's log lay open. Everything suggested the crew had vanished just moments before. "Where are they?" Minerva asked, her voice hushed. Aris walked towards the stern, his gaze drawn to an unusual, crystalline residue coating the ship's wheel. "The anomaly isn't that they left, Minerva. It's how they left." He touched the residue. It felt strangely warm. Minerva was scanning the immediate area with a handheld device. "I'm picking up a massive spike in temporal energy right here, centered on the wheel. It's like a sudden, focused burst of chronological static." Suddenly, the residual hum of the portal behind them died out. The emerald aperture snapped shut, leaving them alone on the silent, drifting ship. From zero to crisis. "Aris, the portal is gone," Minerva cried, spinning around. Aris frantically looked at the Chronos Key orb in his hand. It had gone dark. It must have used up its stored energy for the jump. "We're stranded here, in 1872, until the key recharges." Minerva's face was pale. "Stranded? We have limited water, no food from this century, and we're drifting into the Atlantic shipping lanes." This was the ultimate test. Aris Thorne, the brilliant but sheltered historian who spent his life studying past crises, was now forced to confront a real one. The initial joy of discovery was replaced by sheer, paralyzing terror. He was, quite literally, back to zero. Minerva, however, took a deep breath. She wasn't an academic. She was a pragmatist. "Panic later, Aris. We are scientists. We analyze. First, we need to know how to sail this thing. Then, we need to understand this anomaly so we can recharge the key." She pointed to the strange, warm residue on the wheel. "That energy spike, I bet it's a temporal magnet. If we can recreate the condition that caused the spike, we can draw in enough raw chronological power to get the key working again."